We are leaving Terre de Haut, Guadeloupe today and heading over to, we've got a 2-day, hopefully completely uneventful passage down to Grenada. Should take us about 48 hours, and again, hopefully be super uneventful and flat. That's what I'm hoping for. Okay. Hi y'all, I'm Ashton, and I'm bringing you along on my 4th year of traveling the world after divorce and COVID completely altered what I consider to be a normal life. This season, we're touring all new countries while diving deeper, climbing higher, meeting all new friends, and yet still eating bugs along the way. I can't wait to show you the world through my lens. Subscribe and follow along. After all, to live would be an awfully big adventure. One thing we haven't yet added to Aurora is solar power. So we had to go once a week to the island across from Terre de Haut to fill our jerry cans to feed the generator. Clear compared to the other day. Got maelstrom. This is Cabrit Island. This is where we're anchored right up in there. That's me. Okay. Yeah, he's definitely attached to. Yeah, Mr. Mahi. Ugh, don't let him stop. So many things working against me right now.
So we stop first. Stop what you're doing and stop.
Okay.
And I can grab the belt if you need the belt.
Okay, bro.
How long is this gonna take?
Ran, so it's definitely not just seaweed.
Oh, gosh, how much time do you have?
He's a big guy.
Gosh, I'm wasting so much of my life.
Yeah, Sam.
Oh my God. Look at him. This is the only time you'll see him when he's pretty. They lose color immediately.
Oh,
No,
he's making a run.
no, sir.
Oh, look at
No,
that.
sir.
Yeah, getting good jumps.
Around. No, sir.
There you go.
Okay. Oh, another good size. Yeah.
There he is.
Down, John.
Okay.
Hey.
There you go.
Woo-hoo.
That's your mahi. Is that on video?
Your other
No, actually, I think I'm fine without that. I'll just take the chocolate.
What else did you need? Is there anything?
Nope, that's it. All right, it's 10:30-ish. We're coming into CARRIACOU in the dark. So, and we're gonna have to anchor. So. Anchor lights on. Generators on. Alright, made it off the boat. We're heading to customs to check in to CARRIACOU. Well, CARRIACOU is an island off of Grenada, so it's part of the Grenada. So technically we're checking into Grenada, but we're here on CARRIACOU to check in. All these boats up on the harbor. We had lunch. Patrick got us all checked in. Only a few minor issues with immigration and customs. And now we're just walking over to the little supermarket. Just doing a little walkabout. And yeah. Can I say hello? Say hello? This is the size of the Caribbean avocados. And like, we only spent 2 days on CARRIACOU, and the second day started a bit dreary. I still went for a snorkel, but the visibility was low, and there weren't too many friends out. I was particularly curious about these bubbles and where they were coming from, so if anyone has any guesses or ideas, leave them in the comments.
15.
This episode was filmed before Hurricane Beryl devastated the island of CARRIACOU as a Cat 4 storm in July. This island is only 13 square miles and was reported to be 95% destroyed. I've included a link in the description for a valid and worthy GoFundMe set up to help this beautiful island and all of its people.